That hood emblem on this 2003 Z4 has definitely seen better days. So I'm going to replace it with a new one, and I'll show you how it's done. Now you might be thinking you need to take all of this off to get to this emblem, but no, there's an easier way. So what you're going to do to get this out is you're going to grab it, lift, and then pull out at the bottom. So lift and pull out, just like that. Now we're going to use a deep 10mm to get the two nuts off the back of this. Now you should just be able to reach up in here and take it off without having to actually look in here. But let me get the camera in there and show you what I'm doing. You can see here, these are the two nuts we need to remove. And I'm just going to put this on here. Once you get it started, you should be able to get it off. There's one of the nuts. Here's our new emblem. You can see there are no grooves on here. This nut will actually cut the grooves into the plastic, so don't worry about that. It's self-tapping. Of course, while you have it out, good time to clean that up. All right, you just need to get those nuts snug. You don't need to go crazy, otherwise you have a chance of breaking that stud off. These go back in pretty much the same way they came out. Top in first. And then just a little love tap. You only need to take one out. I took two out so I could get a camera in there a little bit easier. That is so much nicer. If you don't already have the emblem yet, there's a link in the description. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road.